Welcome to DeepMind AI. I'm so excited about today's topic. We are going to build a website within 1 minute with AI. Yes, before building a website took almost a month, and then you had to do with SEO and you had to work with expert to bring your business online. Now you can bring your idea, your business online within 1 minute. And now we don't need any expert and we don't need any coding skills, and even we don't have to do any SEO for our website. The SEO, marketing, everything AI will do for us within 1 minute. So let's get started. Follow me. Within 1 minute, your professional website will be ready. First thing first, in order to build a website through AI, just search durable.co. Now you have this wonderful interface, and all you have to click on generate your website. Now, what type of business you are trying to build? So we are trying to build educational website. So click on next, and now you have to give your location where you are residing. So just click on next. Now you have to give your business name, so it will automatically create a logo, everything for you. So just you have to give your business name, AI for future. Just click on generate. Now you will see it will automatically do SEO for you. It will create a logo for you, and it will automatically create pictures, content, everything for you less than 30 seconds. So you can see we have option here, your website is being generated. And now you can see on top here, it has generated the logo for our business. Wow, within, like I can say there, less than 40 seconds, our professional website is ready. Now you can look the picture, content, everything. Wow, amazing. You can see the website is completely ready. You can edit, and if you want to make some changes, you can do it by yourself as well. Or you can regenerate the website. If you don't like the website, you can regenerate that, and you can like it's totally like your website is totally ready. All you have to do, if you want to change pictures or you want to add you want to change content, you want to add something more, so you can do it by yourself. So thank you so much for watching DeepMind AI. Please subscribe and share our channel.